Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I will show you how you can remove tempered glass from the screen. So all you have to do is just to focus on the edges, and let's start from this one. So you have to put your fingernail underneath the screen protection, then move it to the left side, and then just lift this protector like that. Remember to do it slowly and don't break your glass, don't hurt yourself. As you can see, the air comes under the protector. And as you can see, it was pretty easy. Right now we can use our phone or just install other one screen protector. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.